Amore mio, are you relaxed? Olive oil is fantastic for the skin. Yo, my mum used to use olive oil on her skin all the time.
You're using olive oil?
Yes, I'm using extra
Cooking
virgin...
olive oil?
Oh, yes.
Not too much, I'm never going to get it off.
You don't worry about it. You know that there are over 50 million olive trees here. And 40% of Italy's oils is made here in Puglia. The good thing about extra virgin olive oil on your skin, it also helps for the wrinkles, it helps with the dry skin. It's got loads of beta-carotene, which it makes your skin very elastic. And people really, they think that olive oil is only for cooking. They have no idea. It's so good for the skin.
Okay. Hopefully Jessica will be more impressed when I use this liquid gold to cook her favorite meal. Chicken in marsala sauce.
First of all, 2 beautiful breast of chicken, okay? The secret is very simple. Get a nice sharp knife, and then, very simply, you just cut the breast into 2 pieces like that. So now this is gonna take about 7 to 8 minutes to cook, and it's not gonna get dry. This is gonna go straight into this plate here, where I got flour, like that. I'm putting salt on the flesh of the chicken, because if I start to coat both sides with flour, then the salt is not gonna stick to the chicken. Then I'm gonna pour black pepper. Then, the other thing I need to do is to turn it around gently. Like that. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter in a pan. Pan is actually off at the moment because what I don't want for the butter to burn. And as soon as the butter starts to sizzle, add some olive oil.
This will also give a delicious, fruity, spicy flavor that's unique to Puglia's olive oil.
As soon as it starts to sizzle, the chicken goes in there. Look at that. That is what I want. Golden, crispy. On one side, beautiful. You want to cook for another 3 or 4 minutes, and then we're gonna finish it off with the cream.
Which gives me a chance to chop up some fresh radicchio and mix it with some peppery rocket leaves to make my salad.
Now, we're gonna start to introduce the marsala. I'm using marsala wine. You put it in, tilt, flame, flambe the chicken. Take it out, because you don't want to overcook the marsala. We let it rest slowly, slowly. The chicken, the marsala back to the heat. Then I got the cream, and I'm just gonna put it all around the chicken, like this.
A pinch of salt, a pinch of paprika, give it a shake, then it's ready to plate.
See how simple is this recipe? Like that. Salad.
Dressed simply with olive oil, of course.
Once you do it, put a little bit of salad on the side. You want something fresh, something sharp that is gonna cut through the sweetness of the sauce. You put it there. And now the sauce. This is gonna be sensational. Extra layers of flavors.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore.
I'm nervous.
You?
Yeah.
Me too.
When the world seems to shine like you've had too
Now,
much
this is not
wine,
just
that's
any evening.
amore.
It is, in fact, our 20th wedding anniversary.
Bells will ring,
And so before we tuck in, I've got one last surprise for Jessica.
Oh my God!
Buonasera. Are you okay? You look beautiful. Mwah.
So do you.
So, Gabriella, she's not really a waiter, but she's gonna marry us again.
Are you being serious?
Yes. This is for you.
Are you-
And yes, and we also have some special guests that there they are. Hey guys!
You look beautiful. I wish I was there.
And Mum, stop crying. It's a happy day.
Gino, will you continue to have Jessica as your wife, through the good and the bad, through sour and sweet?
I will.
Jessica, will you continue to have Gino as your husband?
Forever, yes, I do.
Gino, you now have to kiss your bride.
I love you.
I love you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I love you guys.
I love you.
I love you, Mum.
I love you,
Bye.
baby.
When you walk
Ah. Now, am I romantic or what?
You have completely supposed yourself, and you cooked my favourite chicken and masala wine.
Every time I have this dish, I think I'm getting bored, but then when you have it, you think, wow, the flavor is just insane.
I love it. I am very happy, lady.
Salute. I had to do this one. Your favorite dish?
That's amore.